Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Do you also struggle with cut crease eye makeup? Then I guess this video just might be a lifesaver for you because in today's video, I'll be showing you a hack that will help you in achieving an even cut crease every time you do it. So if you want to know what's this hack, then please keep on watching. I'm first priming my lids with the Pack Takeover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand, and I'm setting it with my Sugar's Banana Compact Powder. For demonstration, I'll be using the Nautical Nonsense palette by Wet n Wild and All Neutrals palette by Natasha Denona. I'm starting by warming up my crease using this nude peach shade with my dual-ended blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. To further deepen my outer corner and my crease area, I'm dipping into this burgundy shade with my dual-ended blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. Next, I'm darkening my outer corner with this deep brown shade with my pack brush in the style 126, and I'm blending it using my dual-ended blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. To cut my crease, I'm taking my eyelash color. This one is by PAC and I'm coating its edge with a concealer. This one is the PAC Takeover Concealer. It should look something like this. And I'll be placing it on my lid in a way that its starting edge touches my inner corner, going all the way to the middle of my lid, and this shall give me an outline of the cut crease. And I'll be filling the rest of my lid with the concealer. To decorate my lid, I'm picking up this shimmery bronze shade with my flat brush. Here I'm just blending the edges using this deep brown shade with my pack brush in the style 126. Next, I'm lining my outer corner with this charcoal shade and I'm blending it using my pack brush in the style 126. I'm quickly gonna clean up underneath my eye using a concealer. To line my top lash line, I'm using the Norvina eyeliner by ABH Cosmetics. I'm smoking out my lower lash line with this deep burgundy shade with my pack brush in the style 126. To brighten up my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm using this shimmery champagne shade. And I'm filling my waterline with the Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada. To finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that I'm curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one is by Mars. For lipstick, I'm using this nude brown shade by Maybelline in the shade Nude Nuance. And for falsies, I'm using the Swiss Beauty lashes in the style Pixie. And here is the finished look. So if you happen to learn something from this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.